Android Studio. 5.1 Good Coding Practices. When you add text views to the previous code lab, Android Studio will mark them with a warning triangle. In this step, you will fix these warnings and fix the warnings on the image view. 1. Translating. When you write applications, it is important to remember that they may be translated into another language at some point. As you learned in the previous code lab, a string is a series of characters, such as Happy Birthday, Mary. Hard-coded strings make it more difficult to translate your application into other languages. And it's more difficult to reuse strings in different places in the application. You can deal with these problems by extracting strings into resource files. This means that instead of hard-coding the string in the code, you put the string in a file and give it a name. Then use the name when you want to use this string. Even if you change the string or translate it into a different language, the name will remain the same. 1. Click the orange triangle next to Happy Birthday, Mary. Android Studio will open a window with more information and suggested fixes. You may need to scroll down to see the suggested fix. 2. Click the Fix button. Android Studio will open the Extract Resource dialog box. In this dialog, you can customize the name of the string resource and some details about how to store it. The resource name is the string to be called. The resource value will be the actual string itself. 3. In the Extract Resource dialog box, change the resource name to happy_birthday_text. String resources should use lowercase names, and multiple words should be separated by underscores. Leave other settings as default. 4. In the Attributes pane, find the text attribute. Notice that Android Studio has automatically set it to @string/happy_birthday_text for you. 5. Open strings.xml. Note that Android Studio has created a string resource named happy_birthday_text. The strings.xml file contains a list of strings that users will see in your application. By putting all the strings in one place, you can more easily translate all the text in the app. And easier to reuse strings in different parts of the application. 6. Follow the same steps to extract the text of the signature text view. And name the string resource signature_text. Your completed file should look like this. 2. Check the accessibility of your application. Android Studio provides tips and warnings to help you improve the accessibility of your app. 1. In the component tree, notice the orange triangle next to the image view. If you hover your pointer over it, you will see a tooltip with a warning about the missing content description attribute on the image. By defining the purpose of UI elements, content descriptions can help your app to use TalkBack more easily. However, the images in this app are for decoration purposes only. There is no need to set the content description announced to the user. 2. In the component tree, select Image View. In the All Attributes section of the Attributes window, find Important for Accessibility and set it to No. The orange triangle next to Image View disappeared. 3. Run your application again to make sure it is still valid. You've added the picture to the Happy Birthday app and followed the accessibility guidelines. And make it easier to translate into other languages.